Welcome on the Motec 2018 here in Stuttgart. I'm very happy that you are again following me to see the igus news of the autumn. And I don't want to make too many words, but start right away. Our e-chain system E21 is used in nearly all industries. And we have applied many new features into that chain. For example, we have a QR code on top of the chain, so you can just by scanning go on the relevant internet page, open configurators, or order your parts that you need. The separation system of the chain I already showed to you. With this new separator generation, you save up to 50% assembly time. And now, brand new, we have changed the brake system of that chain. That reduces the noise in operation. This chain is now up to 10 decibel lower in noise. Triflex chains for 3D movement and chainflex cables CF robot for the robot movement are extending the lifetime on industrial robots since years. This is also working for so-called cobots. Now we have such fastening clips that are fully out of plastic in HRC design. You can fix the triflex chain easily now on your cobot directly. The material igumit FC we already presented on Hannover Fair this year. FC for food contact. This means this material can be in touch with food and it is detectable. Brand new here on Motec, we have now clevis joints and spring fixing clips that are made out of igumit FC material. Printing lubrication-free, maintenance-free and wear-resistant parts on your own 3D printer is very easy with igus filaments. And now brand new we have the J350 filament for temperatures up to 180 degrees. You know already our print-to-mold service in 3D. We print a plastic mold and we inject your part on our injection molding machines. Now brand new for Motec, we print a metal mold and you can even order much higher quantities. Configure and order a linear slide online and get the delivery starting from 24 hours. Where can you get such a service nowadays? Yes, correct, at igus and for the whole dryline family. And here a special one, dryline T with 50% more service life due to J200 gliding pads. That was the short glimpse in some of the news. Visit us on more than 200 shows every year. Visit us in Cologne or have a look on our website and have a deeper look into the news that I just showed to you.